Fishery improvement projects, or FIPs, have become a popular means of supporting fishers to successfully build the necessary capabilities to apply for third-party certification schemes like the Marine Stewardship Council. Over the last decade, retailers in the US and Europe have started to make claims that all the seafood they sell should be MSC certified, but the supply of some certified species like yellowfin tuna has not kept pace with demand. This has meant that the success of FIPS has become closely tied to the success of these retailers in meeting their own goals for sustainable seafood. Before any wider goal, like sustainability, is reached, the primary function of a FIP is to improve the capabilities of fishermen, fishing associations, and our governments to fulfill key requirements for improved production practices and management. For developing countries, this is even more of a challenge because these capabilities are either less developed or not aimed at improving the sustainability of fishing practices. This appears to be one of the reasons why today only 8% of MSC certified fisheries are from developing country fisheries, and it's also a reason why a lot of attention has been given to implementing FIPS in these same countries. In our paper published in PLOS ONE, we analyze what capabilities handline tuna fishermen in the Philippines need to participate in a FIP and ultimately change their practices. We did this by looking at two ongoing but very different kinds of FIPs operating in an island of Occidental Mindoro in the Philippines. One of these FIPs can be classified as top-down, which promotes improvement by linking market access and higher prices with standard compliance. The second can be classified as a bottom-up FIP, which focuses on developing a wide range of fisher and government capabilities with the hope that buyers will recognize and reward any improvements with market access. In analyzing these two FIPs, we surveyed 350 fishers and also conducted interviews with the FIP coordinators and government representatives. Our results show that the success of both kinds of FIPs are dependent on fishermen having specific capabilities to participate and improve their fishing practices. For example, top-down FIPs requires what we call firm-level capabilities, such as higher capital, to enable fishers to comply with sustainability requirements of this FIP. But the results show that only a few fishers possess these capabilities, making participation in top-down FIPs challenging or impossible for the majority of fishers. Bottom-up FIPs, on the other hand, require what we call collective capabilities, such as membership to a fisher association, and are overall more inclusive of fishers. But while these bottom-up FIPs might be more accessible, they struggle to provide any market incentive for ongoing participation over the long run. Perhaps the most interesting finding overall is that the least capable fishers are not able to fully participate in either two FIPs, while these are the largest group of fishers and the most in need of support. But more generally, our findings also clearly show that the design of a FIP determines who can and cannot participate. Understanding the capabilities of fishers and knowing how to support these capabilities is key to increasing the participation of fishermen in FIPs. In practical terms, this means that NGOs and retailers designing the FIPs need to include both the market incentives and the capability support for fishers. If this can be done, FIPs may prove more effective in developing and developed countries alike, and also the market forms of improvement they seek to support, like MSC certification.